Did you know the food on your plate could be the reason your knees ache or your fingers feel stiff every morning? Inflammation is one of the top causes of joint pain in seniors, but the good news is you can reduce it naturally. No expensive treatments, no risky medications, just real food and simple changes. In this video, we'll reveal 10 anti-inflammatory foods that protect your joints and ease pain, plus daily habits to strengthen your joints as you age. Stick around till the end because these simple changes can make a massive difference in how you move and feel every single day. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for fighting inflammation at the cellular level. These healthy fats help block the compounds in the body that trigger joint pain and swelling. For seniors, omega-3s also help keep the heart and brain healthy. 2 more reasons to include them in your weekly meals. Try eating fatty fish 2-3 times a week, either grilled, baked, or steamed, not fried. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is more than just a spice, it's a medicinal powerhouse. Its active compound, curcumin, helps block inflammatory enzymes in the body. It's especially helpful for those with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, reducing pain and improving joint flexibility. To get the most benefit, take turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. It can be added to soups, golden milk, or taken as a supplement. Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and local greens like malunggay are loaded with vitamin C and K, calcium, and antioxidants. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which cushions your joints, while calcium strengthens bones. These greens also flush out harmful toxins that contribute to inflammation. Eat them steamed, sautéed with olive oil, or added to soups and smoothies. Number 4. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in anthocyanins, natural compounds that fight oxidative stress and reduce joint inflammation. They're also packed with fiber and vitamin C, helping to support your immune system and repair connective tissues. Aim for a cup of fresh or frozen berries a few times a week. They're great in oatmeal, yogurt, or on their own as a snack. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to relieve muscle soreness and joint pain. It works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, similar to pain-relieving medications, but without the side effects. You can boil fresh ginger for tea, add it to stir-fries, or mix it into juices or soups for a zesty, but healing boost. Before we continue, are you finding this video helpful so far? If yes, please take a second to like the video. It really helps support the channel. And if you're passionate about staying healthy as you age, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly health tips just like this. Now let's get back to the list. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. Magnesium helps relax the muscles around the joints, reducing tension and pain. These foods also contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that fights inflammation. A handful of walnuts or a tablespoon of chia or flax seeds daily is an easy, delicious way to support joint health. Number 7. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that works similarly to ibuprofen by blocking inflammation-causing enzymes. It's especially helpful for reducing stiffness in the morning and easing joint movement throughout the day. Use it in salad dressings, drizzled over cooked vegetables, or even as a base for light sautéing. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known to protect joint tissues and reduce inflammation. Cooking tomatoes actually increases the bioavailability of lycopene, making dishes like tomato soup, stews, or pasta sauces ideal for seniors. They also provide vitamin C and potassium, both of which help reduce joint discomfort. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols, which protect the cartilage in your joints and reduce inflammation markers in the blood. It's also linked to lower risk of developing arthritis-related joint damage. Swap one of your daily cups of coffee for green tea. It's gentler on the joints and offers long-term health benefits. Number 10. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lubricate joints and improve flexibility. They also contain compounds called phytosterols, which have been shown to reduce joint swelling and pain. On top of that, avocados provide magnesium and potassium, which help prevent cramping and muscle tightness. You can add avocado to salads, spread it on toast, or eat it as is with a little salt and lemon. Now that you know what to eat, let's talk about what you can do every day to keep your joints strong and pain-free. 1. Stay physically active. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or Tai Chi keep your joints flexible without causing strain. Movement keeps blood flowing to your joints and helps them stay lubricated. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Every extra pound adds pressure to your knees and hips. Even losing just 5 to 10 pounds can significantly reduce joint stress and pain. 3. Stretch daily. Simple stretching helps improve range of motion and reduces stiffness. Focus on your neck, shoulders, hips, and knees. Just a few minutes a day can help. 4. Use proper posture. Slouching can lead to poor joint alignment and long-term pain. Practice standing and sitting up straight to reduce pressure on your back and joints. 5. Stay hydrated. Joints are surrounded by fluid that helps cushion movement. Dehydration makes them stiff. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Let's also talk about a few common habits that seniors should avoid to protect their joints. 1. Sitting for too long. Being inactive for hours can stiffen joints and worsen arthritis symptoms. Try to stand up, stretch, or walk every 30 to 60 minutes. 2. Lifting heavy objects without support. Always bend your knees and use both hands when lifting. Protect your lower back and joints. 3. Ignoring early signs of pain. Don't push through joint pain, it's your body's warning signal. Address pain early through diet, rest, and mild exercise. 4. Skipping meals or poor diet. A diet full of processed food and sugar increases inflammation. Fuel your body with anti-inflammatory, whole foods. Now that we know what to eat and what to avoid, let's take a moment to understand what actually causes inflammation in the first place. Understanding this will help you avoid the root of the problem, not just treat the symptoms. Chronic inflammation in seniors is usually caused by a combination of things. Number 1. Poor diet. Foods high in sugar, processed oils, and preservatives fuel inflammation in the body. Number 2. Lack of movement. When we're inactive, our joints stiffen and circulation slows down, making inflammation worse. Number 3. Old injuries. Joints that were previously injured are more prone to long-term inflammation. Number 4. Age-related wear and tear. As we age, the cartilage that cushions our joints starts to break down. Without proper support from nutrients and gentle movement, this can lead to pain and swelling. Chronic stress and lack of sleep. These factors increase cortisol levels, a hormone that triggers inflammation in the body. The good news is that most of these causes are manageable. By eating the right foods, staying gently active, and taking care of your body, you're already doing more than most people to fight inflammation from the inside out. Joint pain doesn't have to be your daily reality. With the right food, daily habits, and awareness, you can protect your joints and enjoy more movement, strength, and freedom at any age. Start small. Be consistent, and your body will thank you. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. And tell us in the comments, which food or tip will you try first?